Hibiscus House, Brazil. On a 5,000 square meters plot of land located in the Demétria de Botucatu region, São Paulo, Brazil, the 420 square meters Casa Hibisco stands out exuberantly through the undergrowth of the Cerrado of São Paulo and the Atlantic forest, bringing with it the history of resources found in the region and the concern about its impact on the environment in which it is inserted. The structural premise of the house is in the aurora, proper three pillars which come from the old building that existed on the site. A small residence whose structure and foundations were used as a starting point for the new home of Tatiana Antanus, residence and the Sauer Institute, an artist residence program founded by the client. Another technique used to enhance local resources was the three walls made of rammed ears, also present in the main residence, where the land in its compositions come from the region with the intention of stirring the core of the São Paulo credo. The base for the three structure walls was made of cyclopean concrete from the rails of bricks from the dimensions of the original house. The project is divided into two main parts, one of them being the owner and residence house, with a main leisure environment with an elevated wooden deck, on the other two buildings representing the second structural language of the project, made of metallic structure in tones in burgundy red. You can find the rooms of the artistic residence and the studio completely equipped for the immersive experience of the artistic process for the institute, which were designed in the language so that they could be quickly built and easy to maintain, without causing too much impact for local biomass.